And here we have my nasturtiums. I've sown from seed and transplanted into the ground. This one's not abundant of leaves, well, it is recovering a bit, but it has flowered. And most of mine seem to be flowering now. This one here is a nasturtium dwarf that I decided to plant in this beautiful swan pot. It was doing very well, but I think the leaves have been eaten by caterpillars. They are curling, and they're not really doing too well, but I like the way they kind of stay a bit compact. I'm not sure how to get these leaves to recover. Sometimes they turn yellow. They are affected by overwatering or underwatering, or I think in my case might be harsh weather conditions. They don't really like wind, but it does have a beautiful flower here, and this is a dwarf variety, so I'm hoping that it's not going to be too bushy. This is a chameleon. You can see it's a very beautiful flower here. I love this flower. I put a little trellis to help it stand up against the wind. So this one is just in a terracotta pot. I mean, I've sown these since, they've been growing since May, and it's now coming towards the last week of July. They weren't doing so well, and then suddenly I did repot them again, and they seem to be doing a little bit better. Here is one that's really looking pretty bad shape. I have repotted it. Still has a flower, and what they say is that if the soil is not too rich, they will produce less leaves and more flowers. I'm definitely getting that, but I've noticed with using very poor quality soil, the leaves will start yellow or curling, and I've repotted this one in better soil, giving a mixture of both store-bought soil and homemade soil that's not been very healthy, just been made from weeds really, so a bit of a mixture, but it does have a flower. I don't understand what's going on with these leaves, and they're curling pretty badly. I'll just keep an eye on it. This one on the other hand is doing quite well, nasturtium dwarf. You can see the pretty orangey red flower, orange flower I guess, very bright, very pretty. It's flowering quite a lot. It didn't take off so well in the beginning, but it seems to be doing better. I don't know if that's because it's been grown with some strawberries in the deeper pot. I think it was at one point maybe overcrowded with the strawberries, but it seems to be doing all right. I mean, the leaves are not that green. Some of them are going to be yellow, but it has got a very thick, robust stem. If you look around here compared to the others, and lots more leaves coming through there. Yeah, these are all grown from seed, so I don't know if they maybe they do prefer to not be spaced out so wide apart and to be accompanied by the plants. I've also noticed that these ones have not been attacked by the cabbage white butterfly, whereas my others have.